Starting an art YouTube channel might feel intimidating, especially if you're worried about exposing yourself and your artwork to the world, as well as building an audience and gaining views. But creating videos of your artwork isn't just about who's watching. It's about you, your personal growth, creativity, and your journey as an artist. So here are 10 reasons why I think you should start an art YouTube channel, even if no one watches. Number 1, it's a space to celebrate your creative voice. Your art YouTube channel becomes a space where you can celebrate and showcase your unique creative voice. It's a platform to share your perspectives, showcase your process, and connect with your art on a deeper level. In the process, you'll discover what makes your creativity truly yours. And number 2, starting an art YouTube channel helps to build habits and consistency. When you commit to posting videos of your artwork or process, you naturally create a schedule and accountability for yourself. This accountability helps you build a consistent art habit, one of the most powerful tools for improving your creative skills. Consistency leads to momentum, and momentum keeps you creating, even on the tough days. Number 3, growing your art skills. Every video and art piece you create is an opportunity to grow your creative skills. Practice makes progress, and as you keep practicing, you'll find yourself exploring new techniques, experimenting with different materials or ideas, and stepping slightly more out of your comfort zone with each upload. Your art YouTube channel will become a record of your artistic evolution, a journey you can look back on in the future and be proud of, seeing what progress you've made over time. Number 4, you'll grow confidence through vulnerability. Putting your art out there can make you feel vulnerable, but this is also a great way to build confidence. Each video you post strengthens your ability to share your voice with the world, helping you feel more confident and comfortable in your artistic and personal identity. Number 5, learning new creative skills. Creating videos for your art YouTube channel isn't just about art. It's a chance to learn new creative skills like storytelling, filming, and editing. These new creative skills not only enhance your videos, but also give you the tools you can use in other areas of your life well into the future. Number 6, connecting with a creative community. Even if your audience starts out small, YouTube can be an amazing place to connect with other creatives just like you. It's likely you'll find people who share your passions, exchange ideas with one another, and form a small, supportive community who keep each other inspired. And number 7, starting an art YouTube channel can help build a portfolio and future opportunities. With each upload, over time, your channel will become a visual portfolio of your artwork and growth as an artist. It can open doors to opportunities like selling your artwork, teaching workshops, or collaborating with other artists. Think of starting a YouTube channel as planting seeds for new creative opportunities in the future. Number 8, personal growth and self-reflection. Creating videos is an act of self-reflection. As you create, edit, and share your work, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your own creative process. What inspires you, what you truly love to do and spend your time on, and how these things impact your own emotions and your life. This reflection process can help you identify your strengths, refine your goals, and grow as an artist and a person. And number 9, making art fun and rewarding. Starting an art YouTube channel adds an extra layer of excitement to your art process. By challenging yourself to new ventures, like aiming to complete a video series or mastering a new skill, you keep your creativity fresh and rewarding, helping you to celebrate the small wins along the way. And number 10, why views don't define your success. It's easy to get caught up in numbers on YouTube or social media, but your worth as an artist isn't measured by views or likes. Every video and piece of artwork you create is a learning process and a step towards becoming the best version of yourself. You'll grow your creative skills, create a portfolio of artwork, celebrate your progress over time, and learn new skills, helping you grow as an individual. Starting an art Art YouTube channel is more than a creative outlet. It's a journey of self-discovery. So even if no one watches, you'll have a place to share something you love, grow your unique skills, and learn more about yourself in the process. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I'd love to hear in the comments if you've thought about starting your own YouTube channel or if you already have one. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more creative content. Until next time, keep creating, stay kind to yourself, and remember, you are capable of anything you dream of. See you in the next video. Bye!